First step. Use the power of both the base and the edge of your hands. Press and relax downwards. Second step. Push upwards along both sides of the spine. When pushing, press down firmly with your thumbs. Third step. With both thumbs, massage both sides of the spine, applying even pressure to spread the massage. Fourth step. Using the base of both hands, twist and rub from side to side. Transmit strength to the muscles through friction, quickly relaxing the muscles. Fifth step. In the lumbar region, make Tai Chi circles, kneading and relaxing. Sixth step. With both thumbs, rub and pluck along both sides of the spine. Seventh step. Using the base of both hands, rub to warm up the entire lumbar area. Eighth step. With both thumbs, press along the entire spinal region, pushing from top to bottom. Ninth step. With both thumbs, from top to bottom, push along both sides of the spine. Each of the above steps should be repeated 3 to 5 times.